one hot summer for sure, said Uncle Willie, who had set his heart on growing watermelons in a cindery patch at the very end of his garden. No one is gonna look there for them, he told no one but us, planted them at night. Joyce and I biked sweatily out to our first job. Tenderly moved translucent baby cabbages, made little hats for them, carried water endlessly and longed for the promised crisp bite. The pink juices reviving, turning us into real people, he said. We were just at that turning point, 13 years old. We dreamed of the watermelon promise. He said they were coming along nicely, green, taut, bulging over the hillside, as yet undiscovered by the boys. September came, the boys came. One Saturday morning we saw yellowing leaves only, and every watermelon gone. Yet the anticipation of the melon miracle seemed to have turned us, Joyce and I, into real people. As we pondered this, purposely noisy with our milkshakes, solacing ourselves with second best